Good morning guys. Yeah, medyo mataas ngayon ang tubig dito sa St. Mark's Square. Okay. Yan. Nakabot sila ng plastic na bibili yan. Dito. Yung mga walang boats na talaga, yung talagang boats. Ayan, plastic na yan. Okay. This is how Venice today, guys. Sunday. Dami nila. Kahit the water is high, the water level is high. Yan, marami pa rin mga turista. Men at work still guys dyan. Okay. This is how Venice today. Okay. Have a blessed Sunday to everyone wherever you are. Thanks for watching. God bless us all.